Today we're gonna make this amazing grilled caprese sandwich. So I have a heated flat top here, and I'm gonna take one piece of our pita bread, and we're just gonna drizzle. We're gonna brush some olive oil on the one side, and we're gonna put that flat down on our skillet here. Okay. Next, we're gonna take our sliced fresh mozzarella cheese, and we're gonna cover our bread with that. So this is one whole piece of mozzarella here. Next, some sliced tomatoes. Put those all over. Next, we're gonna do fresh basil. So I'm gonna take our fresh basil pieces. We're gonna top that with some balsamic glaze. Drizzles that all over. And next, a little salt and pepper for taste. Now we're gonna brush the other pita with some olive oil. And we're gonna put this down on top of our sandwich. Look how easy that is. So I've taken this off the flat top. Super easy. Look how delicious this looks. So we're gonna cut this just in fours, right down the center. And again. Super easy, delicious. I wanna say healthy, but if you're, we're gonna put this down here. Look how delicious this is. And this is ready to be served. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store. It's time for me to take a bite.